Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokce Design. Once you have your image pulled up, the first thing I want you to do is to duplicate the layer. Next, I'm going to click on the quick selection tool and then hit select subject. Now I'm going to use the plus minus brushes to clean up the selection and then click on add layer mask. Now that we have the model separated out from the background, I'm going to duplicate the model layer and then click on the first model layer and then click on FX and select blending options. In this screen, I'm going to uncheck the green and blue channels, which represent cyan, and in the other layer, I'm going to uncheck the red channel. The 3D effect is achieved by creating an offset between the red and cyan layers. So I'm going to select one of the layers, click on the move tool, and just use my arrow keys to create an offset. Once the desired offset is achieved to your liking, I'm going to duplicate the original background layer and turn the background black and white by creating a black and white adjustment layer. I'm also going to add a levels adjustment layer to create a better contrast between the model and the background. So the way you do that is by playing with the slider in the center and selecting the desired black contrast. The background also looks sharp to me, so I'm going to convert my background layer to a smart object, then click on Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. I'm going to select a value of 25 pixels and then click OK. Finally, let's compare the before and after images. Looks good to me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.